Today, we're tackling a common and challenging weed problem: how to kill Johnson grass. Johnson grass is a persistent and invasive weed, and managing it effectively is key to maintaining a healthy lawn and garden. Let's explore the best strategies. Johnson grass, known for its tall growth and broad leaves, can be difficult to control once established. It's important to approach its removal methodically. The first step in controlling Johnson grass is through mechanical means. This includes hand pulling or digging out the grass, focusing on removing the entire root system. For small infestations, this can be effective, but it's labor-intensive and not always practical for larger areas. Another effective method is the use of herbicides. Look for herbicides that are specifically formulated to target Johnson grass. Glyphosate is a common active ingredient that can be effective. However, be cautious, as it can also kill other plants it comes into contact with. When using herbicides, timing is crucial. Apply them when the Johnson grass is actively growing, typically in late spring or early summer. This ensures the herbicide is absorbed and transported throughout the plant, including the roots. For larger infestations, a combination of tilling the soil and applying herbicide can be effective. Tilling helps to break up the root system, while the herbicide will address any remaining growth. After treatment, it's important to monitor the area regularly for any signs of regrowth. Johnson grass can be persistent, so repeat treatments may be necessary. Finally, maintaining the health of your lawn and garden can help prevent the spread of Johnson grass. Healthy, dense turf grass can outcompete Johnson grass and other weeds. In conclusion, while Johnson grass is a challenging weed, it can be controlled with persistence and the right techniques. Whether you choose mechanical removal or herbicides, consistency and follow-up are key to success. Thanks for watching. Dealing with invasive weeds like Johnson grass can be tough, but with the right approach, you can keep your lawn and garden healthy and weed-free. Happy gardening!